Ramli welcomes you to our September News Bulletin. I, Cheshta Tikari,
and I, Disha Gupta, will be guiding you through the latest news, trends, and highlights of our school community.
On the 31st of August, the school community came together to celebrate the birthday of our esteemed manager, Reverend Sister Shiva. Sister Shiva, whose leadership is like the compass that directs everyone to the right direction, has always been the pillars of support and strength for our school. A prayer service was conducted by Class 8B under the guidance of Miss Lenny Kohli. The prayer service was a heartfelt expression of gratitude and respect towards Reverend Sister Shiva. Our principal, Reverend Sister Manjusha, delivered a profound message for Reverend Sister Shiva. She extended warm birthday wishes to her, highlighting and acknowledging her valuable contributions to the school.
So today is an important day for our manager, Sister Shiva, who brings a lot of joy into the lives of people and radiate God's goodness, love, kindness and compassion. On this special day, dear Sister Shiva, I take this opportunity to thank you for all the services that you do from behind, and today you are in front of us. So on this special day, we want to tell you, all the students and the staff, that all the support, the guidance that you give is indeed a guiding light for us, leading us, guiding us to move forward.
The program was followed by a series of entertainment programs which were enthusiastically performed by classes LKG to 12. The highlight of the program was the Tiny Tots who danced with grace, leaving everyone mesmerized.
Beginning with the prayer, it is God's blessing as the birthday of a person. The life of a person is a gift from God. Yesterday is past. Tomorrow is future. And today is the present. Present is a gift. Gift us from God, the life of a person. And what we make out of it is our responsibility. And dear students, today you gave me enough energy, enough enthusiasm to go ahead in a positive and vibrant way to give joy to others.
Teachers' representatives wished Sister Shiva on her birthday. The vibrant Inter-School Fest Indradhanush was held on August 31st at Mohanlal Shah Bal Vidya Mandir. Schools from across the region gathered to showcase their talents in a variety of exciting events. We proudly secured first place in both the drama and dance competitions.
On 3rd of September, St. Mary's Convent College participated in a valuable anxiety workshop led by an esteemed life coach and a respected author, Miss Anu. The workshop fostered a supportive school environment, promoting balance and emotional intelligence among students. Miss Anu generously gifted some of her books to the principal, which was subsequently incorporated into the school library by Reverend Sister Manjusha. On 4th of September, the students of Class 12, under the guidance of our principal, Reverend Sister Manjusha, organized a spectacular Teachers' Day invitation. The students dressed up as Bollywood stars, adding a touch of glamour to the event. With utmost enthusiasm and respect, they handed out thoughtful gifts and personalized invitations to the teachers. This heartwarming gesture left the teachers feeling appreciated, loved, and recognized for their tireless efforts.
कैसी लग रही हूँ? एकदम लड़के जैसी। Oh sorry, वो तो तुम रोज ही लगती हो। क्या ये जोक था? हाँ था तो। I don't like jokes. I don't like you.
junior set organized a vibrant Teachers' Day celebration to honor their mentors. Students paid tribute to Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan through hymns, reflections, and a poignant poem. The entertainment segment featured comedy sketches and traditional dances including Punjabi, Nepali, Kumaoni, Assamese, Bengali, and Kashmiri. The assembly concluded on a high note, celebrating the special bond between teachers and students.
के यहाँ बैठे बैठे थक गए होंगे। क्या आपको भी ग्लूकॉन डी चाहिए? तो मैं अभी लाती हूँ।
A teacher is more than just an educator. They are a mentor, a guide, the moon shining bright in the starless nights of our lives. To honor the dedication and passion of such teachers, the students of Ramni celebrated Teachers' Day on 5th of September. This special occasion was a heartfelt tribute to the mentors who have tirelessly guided and shaped our lives. On the delightful morning of the 5th of September, the teachers gathered in front of the church, where they were gracefully escorted to the beautifully adorned Mary Ward Hall by the little angels of Ramni, the students of class LKG to 2. The atmosphere was filled with joy and excitement as everyone prepared to honor the pillars of education on this special day. The prayer assembly began with the lighting of the diya, a symbol of spreading positivity and enlightenment throughout the day. Our principal, in her charismatic wit and cheerful manner, addressed the gathering, wishing all the teachers a very happy Teachers' Day.
On this auspicious occasion, I want to congratulate and appreciate my beloved teachers who look so pretty. Yesterday someone said, yesterday we had Fair and Lovely, and she surely said today all my teachers will be looking very smart because they will be using me. So dear teachers, your dedication, your commitment and your availability to be highly appreciated.
With enthusiasm, the students delivered a spectacular showcase of performances, casting a warm glow over the teachers and filling their hearts with delight. On this occasion, SBI's manager honored Ramni's teachers with a cake acknowledging their dedication and hard work, a sweet gesture that brought smiles and appreciation.
The 8th of September holds a special place in the hearts of every Ramniite, as it marks the day we honor our beloved patroness Mary Ward. In celebration of this momentous occasion, St. Mary's Convent College comes alive each year with the Sanskriti Fest. Through Sanskriti Fest, Ramni continues to cherish and celebrate the legacy of Mother Mary with enthusiasm and pride. This year, the participating schools were All Saints College, Mohan Lal Shah Bal Vidya Mandir, St. Joseph's College, Longview Public School, Birla Vidya Mandir and Sangwal School, Nainital, each bringing their own flair, energy and competitive spirit to the fest. The chief guest for the event was Miss Pallavi Thukral.
The grand event started at 9:30 a.m. with our esteemed principal officially opening Sanskriti 2024. The school's head girl started the program with her inaugural speech. The first competition was the hilarious stand-up comedy segment, which filled the auditorium with roars of laughter The performers, representing different schools, didn't hold back as they delivered punchlines and witty observations, leaving the audience clutching their sides.
भाषा ही नहीं है, माइंड से बताते हैं माइंड से. Then I realized that Tapasvi has not written the remote of PK. It was so bad. Then I asked that, bro, तेरे पास क्या है? Then he was having a dangerous style, like माँ कसम से अपन 15 मिनट तक सांस रोक सकता है.
Up next was choral recitation, where participants from the competing schools showcased their oratory and poetic skills. The recitations were beautifully rhythmic, and each school's unique interpretation added a layer of depth to the performances. The voices in harmony, weaving through verses, created a calming yet powerful aura.
Freedom by Rabindranath Tagore. Freedom! 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 Freedom from fear is a freedom I claim for you, my motherland. Freedom from the burden of the ages. Bending your head, breaking your back, blinding your eyes.
One of the most anticipated events of the day was the dance drama competition centered around the theme Cultural Tapestry of India, Past and Present. Each team delivered a mesmerizing performance portraying the rich and diverse heritage of India through a combination of dance, storytelling and drama.
Long back ago, Hiranyakashipu, a demon king, wanted everyone to worship him.
They continued to elevate with the Quint Hurdles, a multi-dimensional showcase of talent that tested the participants' creativity, intellect and spontaneity. But perhaps the most eagerly awaited segment of the day was the orchestra performance. The auditorium buzzed with anticipation as the performers prepared to take up the stage. And when they finally did, the air filled with magical, mind-boggling symphonies that transported everyone to a different realm.
Is not just a day on the calendar, it's a journey of emotions, a celebration of talent, and a true testament to the beauty of collaboration.
The first prize was backed by St. Mary's Convent College, whereas the runner-up trophy was backed by St. Joseph's College.
It was in the early hours of morning. Sister Manjusha called to congratulate me. She said, we would like you to deliver a keynote address and share your learnings on Ramil Day. I wanted to shout from the rooftops, but curbing my enthusiasm, I calmly replied, Sister, thank you so much, but I don't think that I've done anything to deserve this honor. In her typical firm yet caring tone, she told me two things. A, prepare a good speech, and B, be on time.
The school wished Sister Stella a very happy feast day on 8th of September.
I remember how they used to wish me soon after Mass. Before coming to the sisters, I went to bed and they all wished and clapped and they gave me the card.
A memorial prayer service was conducted for the landslide victims of 1880. This is conducted every year on 18th September. All the neighboring school students take part in this prayer service to pay homage to those washed in the landslide. Our students were also a part of this prayer service and they sang the song Be Still My Soul, and it was much appreciated by all.
Be still my soul, the Lord is on thy side. Bear patiently the cross of grief for me. Leave to thy God to honor and provide. In every change, He faithful will remain. On 21st September, a debate competition was organized by the Buraj Sanstha at CRST Inter College Nainital. The topic of the debate was Nainital mein vikas ho raha hai. A total of 11 schools had participated in the competition, wherein the Ramniites showcased their exemplary performance and wonderful oratory skills. The results of the competition is as follows. In senior category, for the topic, Fatima Siddiqui bagged the first position. Against the topic, Prisha Bohra bagged the first position. In junior category, for the topic, Shabami Adhikari bagged the second position. Against the topic, Shrim Pannu bagged the first position.
On 27 September, the students from St. Mary's Convent College showcased their artistic talents at the art competition held at GB Pant High Altitude Zoo, Nainital. The event aimed at promoting a sense and awareness of cleanliness and creativity among all.
On 23rd September 2024, Class 9A conducted an assembly for Ramni Day under the able guidance of the class teacher Ms. Rakhi Kala Joshi. The assembly was to celebrate the holy virtues of our patroness Mother Beti. Let this be our legend forever, for it is a golden rule. Ramni's children form in train like Serena moving trees. Rally around our sacred banner, trusting to God's holy grace. True to our Ramni motto. On September 23rd, 2024, St. Mary's Convent College unveiled its new Interact Club. The Interact Cabinet for the year 2024-25 is as follows. President Gursiban Kaur, Vice President Yashvi Rawat, Secretary Vanita Shah, Joint Secretary Anmol Saxena, Treasurer Samriddhi Bora, Sergeant at Arms Kavya Joshi.
This brings us to the end of our September news bulletin. We will return with more news, updates and insights in October. Wishing you a pleasant transition into a new month.